Hi there, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can teach how to writing to our kiddos. Sounds weird? What is how to writing? So let me tell you, like persuasive writing, opinion writing, review writing, or descriptive writing, how to writing is a type of writing, right? You can teach how to writing to your kindergartner, first grader, second grader, and it even goes to intermediate and advanced level. So if you want to learn how to teach this type of writing, be with me for the rest of the video, and without any delay, let's get started. Now let's first find out that what is how to writing. How to writing is a type of writing in which you teach someone to do something using steps and illustrations. For example, recipes, maps in which you are giving some directions or some instruction manuals. It means that you can do how to writing to teach someone that how he or she can do the same thing. Okay? Now we have got the answer of this question, that what is how to writing. The second thing is this, that what is the format of this writing. So come on, let's see this. So here is the format or structure of how to writing. First, you need a title. My title is How to Make Strawberry Shake. Secondly, we need introduction with material. You can start your writing like this. Do you love strawberry shake? Here is the recipe for you. You will need a spoon, a cup, a blender, some milk, some sugar, and a few strawberries. Next, we have to write steps using transition words or steps using ordering words, okay? For example, you can use first with the first step, then use next, we will do this, then we have to do this, and finally this. Then we have a little conclusion that will wrap up all of our writing in a sentence. So now here are some practical steps that you need to follow when you are going to do how to writing or when you are going to teach children how to writing. The first thing is to select a topic. Ask children to think what they are good at and can teach that thing to someone else. Make a list of all those things and select one thing as a topic of how to writing. For example, they could be good at painting. Any one of them could be good at reading or playing basketball or good at making sandwiches, and so on and on. If they are unable to select a topic or they think that I'm not that good at anything, so you can help them or you can tell them to ask their parents. Maybe they have an idea what they are good at home. So it could be anything, whether they are good at school, in playing, or at home, or in the kitchen. They can write about anything they are good enough to teach someone else, right? Now let's move on to the second step to follow. Once the child has selected the title that what he is going to write about, ask him to write it first at the top. Here I have taken the title, How to Make Strawberry Shake. The second thing which he needs to do is to write an introduction, that what he is going to do and what are the materials that will be used in the preparation of this thing. Okay, here is a sample for you. I am going to share with you how to make a strawberry shake. You will need, now from here we have started telling about the materials. You will need a cup, a spoon, a blender, some milk, some sugar, and a few strawberries. After writing a title and an introduction, it's the time to write the steps. Before the child is going to write his steps, recall him that he has to take care to write every event in order. Use transition words like first, next, then, and last, and also include some pictures to show their reader that what is going on. So let's see what are the steps of making a strawberry shake. First, wash the strawberries. The picture is over here. Next, Add all ingredients in a blender. Here you go. Then blend for 2 minutes. Here it's blending. And last, pour it into a glass. Here you go. After writing these steps, you have to give a conclusion. That is how you can make a glass of delicious strawberry shake. Enjoy! So this is one of the simplest type of writing that you can introduce to your kiddos in kindergarten or in grade 1 and 2 as well. You can also have an activity in the class and then ask them to write the procedure or write the steps of that activity, like how to make a sandwich, how to make a pizza topping, how to wash your hands, how to brush your teeth. It could be anything, right? The main thing that we are going to focus on is the sequencing of events. The child should know how to write something in sequence. It should not be jumbled up so the reader will feel trouble to read, as well as it should be precise enough that you have given all the information in a small piece of writing. That's all for today's video. Hope you have got something useful from it. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Do give me your feedback whether you would like to watch some other videos on creative writing or not. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now, and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.